Have you ever stopped to ponder the true value of money? It's a piece of paper, a coin, a swipe of a card, or even a digital number on a screen. But what is it really? Let's take a step back in time. Imagine a world without money, where goods and services were exchanged directly. This was the barter system, where if you had something I needed and I had something you needed, we'd strike a deal. But it had its limitations. What if you didn't want what I had? That's where money came into the picture. Money became a universally accepted medium of exchange. It allowed us to assign a value to goods and services, making trade simpler and more efficient. But the value of money isn't just tangible, it's also intangible. It represents the time, effort, and resources that went into earning it. Money, in essence, is a man-made construct that holds value because we, as a society, have decided it does. Why, though, is money so important, you may ask? Well, let's dive into it. Money, in its most essential form, is the universal measure of wealth. It's the yardstick we use to quantify the material value of goods, services, and resources. It allows us to compare apples to oranges, so to speak. Without money, determining the relative worth of things would be a chaotic and subjective process. But money doesn't just measure value, it also facilitates exchange. It's the lubricant that keeps the gears of trade turning smoothly. Without money, we'd be stuck in the cumbersome system of barter, trading goods directly for other goods. Imagine, for instance, trying to trade a dozen eggs for a haircut. It's just not practical. Money, however, simplifies this process immensely. It's a universally accepted medium that makes trade quick, easy, and efficient. Moreover, money is a convenient method of storing wealth. It's compact, durable, and easily transported. This makes it far more practical than storing wealth in the form of goods or resources. Lastly, money encourages specialization and promotes economic growth. By serving as a common medium of exchange, it allows individuals to focus on what they do best, boosting productivity and fostering innovation. So, you see, money is the oil that keeps the engine of our economy running. It's the tool that enables trade, specialization, and growth. Money, therefore, is not just a piece of paper or a coin. It's the lifeblood of our economy. Does money have the power to make or break us? It's a question worth pondering. Money, in its essence, is a tool, a key that can unlock doors to comfort, security, and opportunities. It's the ticket that lets you explore the world, the catalyst that turns dreams into realities. It gives you the freedom to choose, to elevate your lifestyle, and to provide for your loved ones. But like any tool, it can be misused. And that's where the pitfalls of money come into play. The intoxicating allure of wealth can sometimes lead to greed, blurring the lines between necessity and excess. It can breed corruption, as people might resort to unscrupulous means to amass wealth. And let's not forget the societal inequality that stems from the uneven distribution of wealth, creating a chasm between the haves and the have-nots. This is where financial literacy becomes paramount. It's not just about earning money, it's about managing it responsibly. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs, about saving for the rainy days and investing for a secure future. It's about recognizing that money, while important, is not the be-all and end-all of life. Thus, while money has the power to open doors and create opportunities, it also has the potential to lead to greed and corruption if not handled responsibly. So let's strive to wield this power wisely, with a sense of responsibility and fairness. So, is money a blessing or a curse? A paradox indeed. Throughout our journey, we've explored the multifaceted nature of money, its value, its importance, its power, and its pitfalls. We've seen how it can be a tool to provide comfort, security, and opportunities, acting as a key that unlocks many doors in life. Yet on the flip side, we've also delved into the darker aspects, how the pursuit of money can lead to greed, corruption, and an unhealthy obsession, transforming it from a tool into a master. Money, in its essence, is neutral. It's not the notes and coins that hold power, but rather our attitudes towards them. The value we assign, the importance we place, and the way we choose to wield this tool. These are the factors that can make money a blessing or a curse. In the end, money, like any tool, is neither good nor bad. It's how we use it that truly matters.